Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gorgias for AI-based helpdesk automation, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To install Gorgias for AI-based helpdesk automation, start by navigating to the Gorgias website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Provide your email address and create a password for your Gorgias account. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Gorgias. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Gorgias login page. Log in using your newly created credentials. You will be prompted to set up your helpdesk. Select your business type and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, connect your e-commerce platforms and other tools you use. Choose from available integrations, such as Shopify or Magento. Authorize the necessary permissions for these integrations. Proceed to configure your support channels. Add different channels like email, live chat, and social media. Customize your helpdesk settings according to your needs. Now, set up the AI automation features. Access the automation section in the dashboard. Choose from the available templates or create your own custom automations. Set trigger conditions and responses for various customer queries. Once everything is configured, preview your settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Finally, save your settings and conduct a test run to see how Gorgias handles support requests. You are now ready to leverage Gorgias for efficient AI-based helpdesk automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.